Welcome to this lecture on the effective use of labels for organizing academic document. Utilizing labels for sections and subsections in your document helps create a clear and structured hierarchy, making it easier for readers to navigate through your content. Similarly, labeling tables and figures enables seamless cross-referencing, enhancing the overall readability of your work. By incorporating these labels, you can generate accurate list of content, figures, and tables, providing readers with a comprehensive overview of the document's content. Properly labeled sections, tables, and figures also facilitate efficient referencing, ensuring that your readers can quickly find specific information within your content. In this lecture, we will explore how these labels serve as essential tool for organizing information and enhancing the overall quality of academic and professional document. So let's start this lecture. In the present lecture, the content which we want to discuss here, or which are being presented, are already prepared so that in the minimum time we can cover all the entire content. The thing is, which you keep in mind, just you need to note the labels, how we can assign and how we can use. Then the basic commands which will be used at this place for list of the content, for list of the tables, list of the figures. Okay, so just you need to understand the use of command which we will use in the present lecture. See here, section number 9, click to the jump. This is the section number 9, and 8 along with this section we assigned a label, and label is section 1. Okay, so you can assign according to your choice. Actually, the label for this section is 9. This is section number 9, but we assign at this place section 1. Okay, I make it correct. Label section 9. Okay, then how you can use for its citation? By using /ref this command, and in the bracket you will use the same above label which you assigned for this section, and this is 9. Rebuild the file. When you will rebuild the file, and on the right hand side you will see that at this place there is a double question mark, so you have to rebuild file 2 times, and again you will rebuild this file. You will see that the section number is appeared at this place. Okay, the label was assigned to this section which is 9, and the same is appeared at this place. Okay, if you have one more session, if you have some more session, we have a new section. I copy this place and paste at the above. You will see that there are 2 sections. Yes, so here the section 9 is the same as we have 10, and when you will rebuild this file again, yes, so this section is automatically updated. So when you are using references for the cross reference, you have to build file 2 times. Only then all the labels which you assigned will be updated. Okay, and also you can see for the subsection which is 10.1, and press at this place, come to the jump, and you can see that for this subsection we have the label subsection 1. Okay, and the same is used at this place. And when you will build this file, and you can see that in section 10.1 we have the cross reference is 10.1 for this section. Okay, this is the section 10.1, and this appeared due to we assigned the label to the subsection. Similarly, you can assign the label to the sub of subsection. You can see here we have this is 10.1.1. okay, and the label is subsection 1, and same is used at this place. So when you will rebuild this file, and you will see on the right hand side that yes, here is 10.1.1 is section. If you want to write here section and then colon and rebuild the file, yes, this is showing section 10.1.1. Similarly, you can assign the label for the example paragraph. You can see here, yes, So here we have is a sub paragraph, and for the sub paragraph you can assign the a title or subtitle for the sub paragraph. This is the example, and we assigned at this place the label, and same label is used at this place by using slash reference. Okay, and you can rebuild the file, and on the right hand side you will see the label for the subgraph as well as the label for the paragraph. Okay, now in the section 10.2, labels of tables and figures, this is also very interesting part, and these are in the section number 8 and section number 7. Come to section number 8. In section number 8 we have, there are some images. This is section number 7.2. okay, so here are the images and how you can assign the label to the image. Right click on this image, and this is the code of the image. So the label is the same process as we do for the section, subsection, and you can see here this is the code to insert the image, and along with the caption we can insert here label. Okay, the label is assigned at its place figure 1. You can assign any label at its place and you can use for the same. Similarly, for the image second, this is the image 2, and right click on it. Here we assigned label fig 2. Okay, and similarly we assigned the label to figure 3. See here, this is label for the figure 3, which is fig hyphen 3. Okay, so this is the label for figure 3. Similarly, we can assign the label for figure 4. Okay, and if you want to see the label for tables, these are also assigned in the section number 8. Yes, this is table 8.1, and you can check here the label is at its place table 1. Okay, and for the next table we have the label is 2, and this both the labels are appeared at the play along with the caption. You can assign this label on the top or with the at the end of the sequence of statement for table. Okay, so it doesn't matter, you can put this statement on the at this place. Yes, so you can assign the label at this place where this statement started for the graph. Okay, slash begin table h, at this place you can assign the label. So it doesn't matter whether you are assigning the label at this place or at the bottom. Similarly, all the tables and the figures, sections, subsections, paragraphs, we can easily assign the labels. You can see in the section 10.2 labels of tables, and these are used at this place. Yes, so here these are the labels which are assigned to the table 1, table 2, table 3, and you can easily use by using the slash reference statement and put the label in the bracket. So these are the labels for table 1, table 2, and table 3. Okay, similarly we can use this label for the figures, and when you will rebuild the file, this will automatically updated in our, yes, you can see all these are updated. If and when I will remove this section and see what happened. In section number 10 we have section 8 at its place, 10 at its place, and here is section 10.1.1. okay, and these are the labels for tables and figures. When I rebuild this file 2 times, all the numbers of a section, subsections will be updated, but I have to rebuild this file again. Yes, so now you can see at this place section, earlier it was 10, but now it is now 9, and this was 10.1, 10.1.1, and you can see that all the section numbers are automatically updated everywhere. And also you can see in section 9.2, earlier it was 10.2. Here table numbers are same, but also these will be automatically updated. We have section number 8. Okay, we are changing here something, and I want to show how these will help us to update the information automatically. Yeah, so what I am doing here, I am inserting one more section at this place, and as soon as I will insert the section at this place and rebuild the file 2 times, by pressing F1. Once again I have to rebuild the file. Yes, now see what happened. Here you can see the tables. Earlier it was 8.1, 8.2, 8.4, 8.3, but now these are 9.1, 9.2, 9.4, 9.3, and the tables are in the section number 7. So figures are in the section number 7. So these are not updated. If you want to update, we can do come to the section number 7. Okay, here is section number 7, and images are inserted here. We can insert one more section at this place. Yeah, copy this section, copy and paste here. So we have inserted here a more section, and see what happened. Once again rebuild the file and come at this place. Yes, now you can see that the sections are 10.1, 10.2, 10.4, 10.3 for the tables are appeared in section number 10. So these are the numbers corresponding to the section, and now the figures are appeared in section number 8. If you want to check, we can verify all this information. Yes, this is section number 10, and the tables are appeared at this place. Table 10.1 you can see. Then we have the table number 10.2, 10.3. Okay, and if you will check the figures, and all the figures are now in section number 8, 8.4, 8.3. You can see here the figure numbers corresponding to each figure, and all these information are updated automatically at this place. So this is the proper use of the labels, and once you will use these labels and cite them by using the /reference command, whenever you need to change, this will automatically change the labels and their citation in the entire document. Okay, so this is the importance of the use of labels. Also, I want to show you here we are using some statements, and by using these statement, sections and subsections, figures, tables, mainly tables and figures are appeared within the section. Okay, if I will comment all these three statements, then see what happened. See what happened. Rebuild the file, again rebuild the file, and see here. Now the table numbers are only 1, 2, 3, and okay, and the images are also will be 1, 2, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the table numbers and figure numbers are continuously 1, 2, 3, and if there are about 50 or more than 50 figures, then the number will continuously go through 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 50. Okay, and in the same manner, the number of tables will also go as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you want to manage the table number and figure numbers within the section, then you have to use this statement, and by using this statement you can easily manage the numbers of these tables and figures. Okay, now the most important thing is come to at the top, how we can generate the list of the entire content. And yes, so here we are going to discuss about the list of the content, as well as see here we are using /table of content. This will generate the content list of the entire document, whether it is a single article, whether it is a book, whether it is a thesis, any type of a document. This will generate the table of content. And if you are using this command /list of figures, this will generate the list of the figures. Okay, and if you are using this command /list of tables, this will generate the list of tables. Okay, we are using this statement after the title of the content, and when you will rebuild this file, and you will see that the list of the entire content are appeared just after the title of the article, and all these will appear in the same sequence. First we have the content list, then we have the list of the figures, and after that we have the list of the tables. If you want to interchange the sequence, just you need to copy this statement and paste at this place. Then what happened? The list of table will be first, then we have the list of the figures. And see here all the sections, subsections, then the corresponding page number. Okay, all are automatically generated within just click. And here you can see that this is the list of the figures, and then we have the list of the table. but we interchange this statement, rebuild the file, and you will see that this information will be interchanged automatically. Now we have the list of the table, then after we have the list of figures. Okay, so all these entire content easily can be managed if you are using here slash new page statement, and here is also slash new page, and at the top also we are using slash new page. So by using slash new page, this information will be published on each page separately. Yes, you can see when we build the file, at the second page we have the content of the entire document, and at the page number 3 we have the list of, at the page number 4 we have the list of the table, and at the next page we have the list of the figures. And after that, if you want to start new page, slash new page, and then rebuild it. So the abstract will start on the new page. Yes, you can see the abstract started on the new page. Okay, if you want to publish all these content after the abstract, just you need to cut from this place and paste after the abstract. So on the title page, what will be there? Only the title and abstract will be on the first page, and after that we have the entire content will be updated, and it will update very frequently. You can see on the title page there is only title and author detail, then we have the abstract. On the second page we have the entire content. On the third page is also we have the content of the document. On the fourth page we have the list of the table, and on the next page we have the list of the figures, and on the next page we have the sections has been started. Okay, so in this way we can easily generate and manage labels and their use for figures, tables, and generate the list of tables, list of figures, and list of the entire content. In conclusion, utilizing labels in academic document fosters a clear and structured hierarchy, enhancing readability and navigation for readers. By incorporating these labels, document can generate accurate list, providing a comprehensive overview of the content. Embracing these tools significantly improves the organization and quality of academic and professional document. Thank you for attending this lecture on the effective use of labels in academic writing.